Hi friends, welcome to Aesthetica by Shimin. I have been requested by lots of friends and subscribers for kids videos, so I thought of doing one. So I'm going to show you how to make an origami butterfly with a starry night background using oil pastels. First of all, I'll show you how to make this beautiful butterfly using paper. So for that, we have to take a square paper of required color and size, and we have to fold it as shown here. I'm not telling you the size of the square paper I've taken. That is up to you. You can take large square or small square, that's up to you. Fold from corner to corner and also in the center, as you can see. Yeah, we have to fold from the center also. Now we have made a cross and a plus also. Then again fold like this. Notice carefully. Yeah, we got a triangle shape. Now again we have to fold the triangle into smaller triangle. Now we are going to cut the free corner of the triangle into a curved shape. Don't make a mistake of cutting the other corners. Be careful about this part. Yeah, now we have got something like this. Now let us fold like this. After this, we are going to do some decoration or some shading effect to our butterfly. This is going to make our butterfly more beautiful. If you want, you can do some other designs like dots or something else. Or I've seen some butterflies having beautiful designs in the borders. So I'm doing something easy for me, but this is attractive also. You can refer the Google images of butterfly, then make the butterfly more beautiful. Just a simple shading like this. Now just notice from this part I'm going to twist and hook it up here like this. Yes, our butterfly is all set to fly. Just see friends how attractive our butterfly is, the pink butterfly. I've made small ones also. Yeah, the butterfly part is ready. Now let's create a starry sky background with a mason jar from which the butterflies are flying out. So let's draw the mason jar first. I'm doing a simple drawing so that it will be easy for the kids to follow. Not doing much of shading or much of painting. Now let's draw some grass like this. I have taken light green and dark green oil pastels. I'm also using the oil pastel for the first time. If I'm making some mistake, please correct me. I've taken the white oil pastels and trying to give some effect for our mason jar. I've seen many people decorating with this origami butterfly on their walls. That also looks fantastic. Here I am using a black oil pastel so that the white become more obvious. We give a black outline to this white. Just like this we can give outline, we can give a shading with white also. And I'm smudging this color with my fingers. This gave a more smudged effect. This looks more beautiful, I think. The grass part also I'm going to highlight with our black pastels, just like this. Isn't it easy for our kids to do? I think so. I think it is a fantastic work. You can try it out with your kids. Actually, if you don't have oil pastels, you can also use a normal color pencil to do the same work. Yes friends, our painting is almost complete. Now we have to create that starry sky effect. If you have white color pencil, I think it looks more beautiful, because with the pastels is not looking more obvious, the color is not becoming dark. Now I am going to fix our butterflies. Yes, our beautiful yet simple and attractive origami butterfly in starry sky is done. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you. Bye.